Hi, I'm Mark and I'm a tiler, and this is a house I tiled in Kildare. It's a bungalow, it's sand and cement walls, block built, as you can see, and this is the family bathroom. It's quite a big bathroom actually, quite deceptive. It doesn't really look very big with the sand and cement walls, but it is. And the tiles are going to be Carrera copy tiles. They're porcelain tiles, 30 centimeters by 45 centimeters, and there is a mosaic border to go with it as well. I also tiled the ensuite in this house, and they're going to be tiled. That's going to be tiled with the same tiles. Obviously, the ensuite's a bit smaller, but still a good size for an ensuite. And this is it when they were both finished. Yeah, Carrera looks great, doesn't it? White marble with streaks, just in case you didn't know what Carrera was. It's Italian marble. And how bright is that? How bright is that? Customer's totally delighted. The mosaics were a bit finicky to install, but they look really, really well, don't they? Again, a good choice by the customer. The floor is good, obviously the same tile on the floor in 30 by 30 size. I'm walking over the floor I just tiled, the whole floor there. And the ensuite is exactly the same tile, but no border in the ensuite. So you can see the contrast of the different. It looks totally different with no border in it. Still looks great, but just totally different. You know, it's that little detail is not there. But there. Tile's perfect. Good builder as well. Left me good walls to work with. And again, customers delighted. I'm delighted. Thanks for watching.